It's just chicken breast, shredded chicken. It is called shredded chicken. That's my own invented name for it. Because as I said earlier, people don't do this. They don't go through this process. It's very stressful. No matter once it's boiled or everything, you can do it this way, or you have the dark sauce. Okay. All these ones. We will not pack it. Unnecessary co-brand, darling. Just put it in this corner. So this is shredded beef, seasoned, and we're frying it. We'll fry the sausage too, slightly. Ma? Yes. It will fry. Okay, share. So let's add. Yeah. Oh, Mama Tao, let's put it and reduce the light too. Yeah, multiple. So, what do you mean? You they don't have plates here. No
I think there's plates. Please,
that's why I can put all this so everybody can see it.
Okay, no lie.
Can we get more? No, it's
what did you just do now?
I added the fried rice, the raw fried rice in the hot water with little salt. That's all. You don't need oil because there's still oil in the rice. So yes. Oh my God. Me. Yes. Nigeria, everything about Nigeria is stubborn. Can you see the color? So this is the only thing that you can use to derive it. Even on the norms, I allow it a bit more brown than this. But the beauty of it is that if that rice could see me, it will double in size.
And it's so fine.
No, for rice. Is this what we use? Okay, yeah, put water. You can add water.
The quantity of rice.
Yes. It depends. It's because we are doing practical. Don't go and enter. It depends on how much they pay you. Goya is like Maggi. It's like Maggi also. You have to be very careful when. Nothing, no paparazzi in there. Just add small Maggi and salt. I see they are making what's it called? Scramble. But you know, scramble we have milk, we have all those original. It's just a plain, it's for garnishing the rice. All this thing that it took me like an hour plus to cut. Everything will just go in and we are done. It doesn't take time once the rice is boiled. What else I scrambled it? If you don't like milk, you don't like butter. So now that we have gone to drain out the water. Who was asking me for starch? You should have come and see how plenty the starch is. So where is that our frying pan? She frying pan here, ma. She this frying pan. So man, bye bye. Oh sorry. They don't get bigger pots. You go rich now. So we can still use our oil. You still use the oil. Yes. There's like that. No, we do. But you collect your money. That one, the one I take out, we don't even put shredded beef. And if you want to go and cook it in an event, my advice, because it doesn't really stay long, you can fry your rice. You can fry your rice, cut your vegetables, and go and cook it in the venue to make it very fresh. Or just carry this gas. So we are starting, please. Our president, Rabbi. So we are adding this. Please, where is the onions, please? Hey, please, this thing. Onions. The aroma. So you can put it back. You can put it back.
I swear. They don't come back as well.
So we have peeled it. Have you peeled? You might need more. How many is this one now? This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, can somebody help me? Oh yeah, Emma, dancing. Oh, bueno. Hey, Jesus. So you add the rice. We're adding the boiled rice now.
This one is interesting.
Please let me add the carrots. Somebody should
Please,
hey, so by the time it's done, it will be. So we add our sesame. You can add your sesame oil from the beginning too.
I don't want noise.
Your sesame oil.
What's the importance of this oil in the food
instead
of using vegetable oil?
I use vegetable oil. It has a special taste. If you use it to cook indomie, oh.
You need 2 spoons like two. You need 2 spoons.
No. This one. Wait till Gila and say. No, this one is okay.
Let's put it down.
So let's add our cubes. Don't worry. Hey, let me hold it so that I will know.
Like animals, think you need a class. Even like this, it's not like Chinese rice.
You cannot eat it. I want to look for your customers. Please, where's the Cameroon pepper?
See all these ones that you guys are making.
Today I made it. So I'm adding Cameroon pepper just to give you this. Yes. If you people that are asking for rodo, you can put your rodo if that's what you prefer.
Joy. So you can put rodo in that video. If you are making it for customer, don't put rodo.
Abio.
Rice is rice.
But it's okay.
Is your phone 300?
Who is having birthday soon? This is what we want.
Mine was Saturday.
Yeah, that's one.
We are all tutor.
You are not a good somebody.
What?
I don't tell us. What are we?
Now, what is this?
This is the stock now.
The meat store, the chicken store. No, but yeah,
And that's a right.
yeah, they're frying Lawrence.
Don't get to know.
So when is curry coming now?
Curry? Curry?
Why are you putting any curry?
No, I'm not adding curry. I just use it to boil the chicken.
Okay.
I use it to boil the chicken.
Next class, you guys
It's still the same thing.
Take away.
It's a bit dry. Let that water. You see, if it's not, if all this nonsense Maggi on the agenda.
What is beautiful? Talk about it. Is it because
No purpose, so go here, begin on cousin. It's like Maggi too. So but it's like Maggi too, so you have to be very careful.
Honestly, this man is the best man. He's a very quiet man. He doesn't make noise.
I'm very quiet. Don't make noise. Very quiet.
Because of that, of the frying and because of the oil.
Please, I don't want
And the oil.
Joy, please write my speaker.
this rice is wicked though?
Oh yeah.
Before they go back,
Not do that.
You can add prawns if you have money.
This rice is wicked though?
How much you dey charge?
Keep some for. Who will be that?
No, 1 spoon, 1 cake, 5,000. One spoon if you are the one spoon 5,000. What's matter for you?
Everybody, assignment please.
How much are you
Give
going
it
to
your own
pay?
name.
Please,
Goliath rice.
Goliath.
Yes.
Goliath care.
Me.
See life inside the rice.
Put no wahala na your own time be that.
They do what works for you, abi?
Exactly. Don't
Yes,
work for
I'm going to match it. That's my colleague's language.
Work with you.
Yeah, but
I know it's my name. I love pork.
Wọ́n máa worry tiẹ̀. Ó yẹ máa jẹ́ nìyẹn next class.
this time around you need like 2 spoons.
No máa mix.
You need that.
How can we not talk? When you see something beautiful, you not correct.
Ó sì gbé oúnjẹ gbogbo wá sọ̀rọ̀. Mo ti gbàgbé sá.
Ẹ̀pọ̀ ti double inside because of all the. So you just need serious steering. But this even bigger than sorry ma.
Okay.
I don't know if are you doing this for yourself or for your customer because I don't understand.
Most of the people that are here, they don't come and be cooking for themselves. By myself. And most of it for our husband.
Man, we will eat it before customers.
You can add sweet corn, you can add
Cabbage.
green peas, cabbage, gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó máa ń pẹ́ ètò ìbàjẹ́ náà. You can add your normal stuff.
Èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ nípa ọkùnrin èèyàn bọ̀ ní lálẹ́ kí èèyàn wá sí láàrin. Ó ṣe beautiful náà ló ṣe máa tètè bàjẹ́.
You can boil, do it and keep it. When it's cold, you can put it in the fridge. So you can just microwave.
That's what my sister is doing. Cook finish like this, she put one inside fridge. I like this. Ofena be rice Indian restaurant.
And so when we check now, and we need any adjustment, I had salt to it. Ma?
How is it taste? By the side.
Of course.
There's no how garlic smell from it. And it's smelling garlic since. I like it.
It's nice and it has a lot of health.
Carrot, yes, vegetable and no, I don't know.
Sprinkle ugu.
This side.
Yes, put small ugu inside.
Hey, when they spring onion. Try it, brother.
They should shall consume it on time. That's my own. A lady there. Where is that lady on here?
Which lady?
Which lady? She's here. Come here, family.
Okay. So,
Do the boomerang now.
but I imagine almost overcome steam there. I think we played it and I know.
Look at all the stress that we pass
She will finish tasting. She has brought this thing. Let me go on.
We need to be clearing this place.
Oh yeah, please let's clear up. My own now make I cook. I don't know how the way they do that.
Let me give you like, but you need to be fast. See, you need to be fast. She don't kind of pressure.
Eléyìí ń ṣe scoop, ṣé kò ní scatter gan?
Measuring cup lele.
Jésù. I doubt it.
Ṣé lè máa ṣe?
Can you see the difference? Àjọ máa jẹ adúró eléyìí. Where is that that plate? Bring it. Let's put it there. Everybody will have
Different on
Let me put one more here. Come on, find me. Sure, they will not find me like this. Ẹ bá mi dá padà ń gbà yẹn. Let him pour it back.
Please don't break the rice.
Put your hand up, please.
You don't want to see crazy.
Better.
Move.
Mascata. Yeah? Sorry, can I excuse me?
This country, God bless you. Jolo.
No, you spring onion.
I don't want to put my hands. Or before you scoop your rice, you can put there's another you can put some here.
This is beautiful.
In this life, everything you do,
Yeah.
the rice is breaking. Oh,
It's breaking. This is beautiful.
everything you do, know how to cook.
Know how to cook,
Oh, she
how to
cook,
look only.
Can you see it?
Ah.
So you have that.
Okay, it's right, yes.
Rice is rice.
Oh, Daibo. Who let that rice? Sorry, please,
I don't know.
No, you want to do what?
I like the way she did that. Oh. Why? See her own now. I think it's the camera. We are done. No. I hope.
If I want, if I want to post of that process, can I stay on this while
You can. But yeah, you have to reduce the maggi that you are putting.
What's
You have
the
to add.
question?
You can even see if you are not fried. So we made Pinnacle rice today, and this is the final. We made Pinnacle rice today in our class, and this is the final product. It looks so yummy. It can be served in parties, events, anywhere. It's a very beautiful meal, full of vegetables and so many things, and proteins. Thank you.